Hello everyone. Now the next visual in this map series is the field map. So we'll see how we visualize this. So click on the field map icon in the visualization. Now adjust its size here. Now we can see here location, legend, latitude, longitude and tooltips. So in the location we'll move the states here, which is geographical data is represented by the globe shape. Now in the legend we'll move the region here. Now we can see entire US map is divided into four different regions, that is West region, Central, this is East and this is South. Now in the tooltip here we have latitude longitude. Since our data don't have the latitude longitude, so ignore it, and the tooltip will move the cells here. Yes. Now the cells value is represented on each states here. So just put cursor here, like Montana region is west and cells value it is reflecting here. Now if you come to the central part, Minnesota or region central, this is the sales value. Now Texas, this is central region and this is the sales value. Now if you go to the east region, come to the New York, this is the sales value 310876. Now if you come to south Georgia, this is the sales. So we put cursor whatever state, it will show the region and sales value here. So this is all about the field map.